You deserve clean water straight from your kitchen tap. Not a complex installation, not an electrical mess under the sink, and definitely not another case of plastic bottles. What if better water was simpler? Meet the WaterDrop Under Sink Direct Connect system, available in quality water treatment. 3-stage filtration, smart monitoring, a 3-second filter swap, and 0 under-sink electricity required. Most filters only hit 1 to 5 microns. WaterDrop filters at 0.5 microns, up to 10 times finer, catching contaminants that standard filters simply pass through. While other systems take minutes and tools, WaterDrop's twist and pull design does it in 3 seconds. No tools, no mess, and no shutting off the water. It connects directly to your existing faucet, no extra taps or holes to drill. And with a tiny 4.7-inch footprint, it fits neatly in kitchens, bathrooms, or even RVs. 3 cartridges work in sequence to strip lead and chlorine while retaining the essential minerals like calcium and magnesium that your body actually needs. The Smart Indicator panel tracks your filter life in real time. Blue for good, purple for soon, red for now. No calendar reminders and no guessing. Running entirely on water pressure with no outlet needed, it's an easy DIY install. The result? Better coffee, better cooking, and better hydration, right from your tap. Hi, I'm Craig the Water Guy Phillips, and I've been helping Americans improve their water quality for over 35 years. Upgrade your kitchen today with the 35-year expertise of quality water treatment. Visit qualitywatertreatment.com to order now. Better water, right from your tap, starting now.